Welcome to the Root Locus Interactive Calculator, which analyzes control system stability and performance through root locus techniques. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: second-order system analysis, gain margin and stability, dominant pole location, damping ratio from angle, breakaway, break-in points, or angle of arrival departure. I'm using second-order system analysis. For system type, choose between continuous time or discrete time. I've selected continuous time. The calculator provides multiple input fields, including natural frequency ON, damping ratio Z, proportional gain K, open loop gain K current, crossover frequency OPC, phase margin FM, critical gain K crit, real part S, imaginary part JO, and many more parameters. Let me demonstrate with specific values. I'll input natural frequency ON equals 5.0 radians per second, damping ratio Z equals 0.5, and proportional gain K equals 10.0. After clicking Calculate Root Locus, the primary result shows poles at -2500 ± J4.330. The secondary result indicates a damped frequency of 4.330 radians per second. The stability status confirms the system is stable, and the performance metric shows a settling time of 1,600 seconds. These results help engineers design stable control systems with predictable performance. Find the link in the description below.